Welcome back to the Reaction Zone. You are welcome to another episode in the series of gas laws that we've been exploring. Today, we're going to look at things at the molecular level. Specifically, we're going to look at Gay-Lussac'S law of combining volumes. In the 1800s, Gay-Lussac'S noticed that when gases react at constant temperature, that they combine in simple whole number ratios. Gay-Lussac'S law states that when gases combine, they do so in volumes which bear a simple ratio to one another and to the volume of the product if gaseous, provided that temperature and pressure remain constant. Now let us understand what Gay-Lussac'S law is saying using the two examples on the board. The first example shows the reaction of hydrogen gas with oxygen gas to give steam. Looking at this particular equation stoichiometrically, it can be interpreted as 2 moles of hydrogen combined with 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of steam. However, according to Gay-Lussac'S law, what will happen in this chemical equation can be interpreted as 2 volumes of hydrogen combining with 1 volume of oxygen to give 2 volumes of steam. And from this interpretation, the whole number ratio in which they combine is simply 2:1:2. Looking at the second equation, the second equation is the equation for the Haber process, in which nitrogen combines with hydrogen to give you ammonia. Looking at this equation stoichiometrically, it is 1 mole of nitrogen combining with 3 moles of hydrogen to give 2 moles of ammonia. However, according to Gay-Lussac'S, this equation can be interpreted as 1 volume of nitrogen combined with 3 volumes of hydrogen to give us 2 volumes of ammonia. The whole number ratios in which they combine in this case is represented as 1:3:2. Gay-Lussac'S law of combining volumes is very important. First of all, it only applies to gases. And this law gives scientists a clue of how atoms combine. It also laid the foundation for Avogadro's hypothesis, or Avogadro's law, which connects the volume of gases to the number of molecules. I hope the basics of Gay-Lussac'S law of combining volumes is clear from this explanation. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to get more videos on other important concepts of chemistry. Till then, see you some other time.